Want to schedule a WhatsApp message on your Android phone, like a birthday greeting, anniversary note, or a simple reminder? In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through how to do it using an app called Skedit, which you can download directly from the Play Store. Stick with me to the end so you don't miss a single step. Let's get started. Step 1. Download Skedit from the Play Store. Open the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Skedit Scheduling App and tap Install. Once installed, open the app and create a free account or log in if you already have one. Step 2. Grant necessary permissions. Skedit will ask for several permissions. Tap Allow or Enable for each. Most importantly, you'll need to give accessibility access so it can automate sending messages via WhatsApp. To do this, tap Enable Accessibility. Go to your phone settings, scroll to Installed Services, tap on Skedit and toggle it on. Step 3. Schedule a WhatsApp message. From the Skedit home screen, tap on WhatsApp. Now, fill in the details. Tap Recipient to select the contact you want to message. Under Message, type what you want to send. Set the date and time you want it delivered. Step 4. Choose Auto Send option. At the bottom, you'll see a toggle called Ask Before Sending. If you want the message to send automatically, turn that off. If you'd prefer to approve it manually, leave it on. Step 5. Save the message. Once everything looks good, tap Schedule. Your message is now queued and will be sent through WhatsApp at the time you picked. Keep your phone unlocked or screen on around the time the message is scheduled. Some Android versions may block Skedit from sending in the background. Make sure battery optimization is disabled for Skedit. You can do this by going to Settings, Battery Optimization, Skedit, Don't Optimize. If this helped you, drop a comment below and let me know what kind of messages you're scheduling. Birthdays, reminders, surprises? And before you go, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Android tips and tricks that actually work. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.